Many times we speak, we are trying to impress the crowd, impress the audience, impress the gallery. Bhagavatam is not spoken like that. Bhagavatam is spoken as a seva. The person who speaks Bhagavatam is doing seva to Krishna by speaking, and person who is hearing Bhagavatam is doing seva to the Lord by hearing. Both are in the same plane. A seat may be a little more because you are representing Vyasa. It doesn't mean that a speaker is more qualified. Then why is Vyasadeva sitting and hearing when Sukadeva Goswami is speaking? Why Narada is coming and hearing when Sukadeva Goswami is speaking? Speaking Bhagavatam does not go by seniority. Anybody can speak Bhagavatam, anybody can hear Bhagavatam, irrespective of who is senior, who is junior. Hence, Bhagavatam should be respected for Bhagavatam, not based on who is the speaker. We may feel very sleepy sometime, but that is our disqualification, not the disqualification of the speaker. And sometimes we may feel very elated and very blissful. That is also your own qualification. You are in bliss. You are alert in Krishna consciousness. What I mean to say is that Bhagavatam goes beyond all these material calculations. Materially understood good, bad. Bhagavatam is representing Krishna. Is Krishna. Bhagavatam is worshipable. The book Bhagavatam is worshipable as much as person-Bhagavatam is worshipable. And Bhagavan, who is spoken about in Bhagavatam, is also worshipable. Same quality. Bhagavan, Bhakta Bhagavatam. Same quality. So we should not compare Bhagavatam like an ordinary literature. We have to respect Bhagavatam. We have to respect Bhagavata Katha. That is why Bhaktivedanta Saraswati was very much against the Saptaha, Bhagavad Saptaha. Because in Bhagavad Saptaha, a man comes and talks and everybody is aha, oh, he. Without following any principles of Bhagavatam. Just on Leela of Krishna, without understanding the previous Leelas of Krishna. Hence Bhagavatam emanates from transcendental platform. It is ever good. So Parikshit, a very qualified disciple, hearer of Bhagavatam. Sukadeva, the perfect speaker of Bhagavatam. Otherwise, why did they choose Sukadeva Goswami to speak Bhagavatam? Narada could have spoken. He is the person who first taught Bhagavatam as heard from Brahma. Vyasa could have spoken. Vyasa, the most qualified incarnation, literary incarnation of the Supreme Lord, who has written all the Vedas. Why would Sukadeva be chosen? The quality of Sukadeva is that he is speaking as spoken by Brahma, as spoken by Narada, as spoken by Vyasa, maybe in his own words, but absolutely representing without any changes. It is a repetition. And in material world, people don't like repetition. Yes, I may like a song, 10 times I hear it, afterward I am bored. I hear a subject, I hear 10 times and I am bored. But Bhagavatam, you don't get bored. You will get bored, but you don't get bored if you are qualified. If we are not in Krishna consciousness, we get bored. In the beginning days, when people read Prabhupada's books, every book, same subject matter. Some people give that explanation. Everything is same. We keep reading, and support our reading with sadhana, support our reading with chanting, support our reading with sadhu seva, in association of sadhus. That brings the fruit of transcendental consciousness. In transcendental consciousness, if you hear Bhagavatam, It is totally different from hearing Bhagavatam in a material, intellectual or mental platform. And for hearing Bhagavatam in the transcendental platform, one has to practice hearing Bhagavatam with humility. Shravanam, real Shravanam with humility. When we hear Bhagavatam in Shravanam of Bhagavatam in humility, gradually we get a taste in hearing Krishna Katha. Because we are supposed to be immersed in hearing Krishna Katha. As soon as we hear Krishna Katha, we have to be immersed in it.